Travel is not about the destination. It's about the journey, where we experience genuine emotions, explore the unknown, and believe in the good. Yutong makes every trip even more wonderful. Yutong is the world's leading bus builder by sales volume. It boasts over 50 years of bus manufacturing experience and provides safe, reliable products and solutions for various segments,
including city bus, long-distance coach, tourism coach, school bus, and special mobility, etc. Dedicated to R&D and creating value with quality. We invest more than 5% of our annual revenue in R&D and establish a special bus test center and many other state-level R&D platforms.
All corners of Yutong have witnessed the soaring development of the global bus industry.
We produced the first dedicated school bus in China
and participated in the development of school bus safety standards in China. Thanks to more than 10 years of efforts,
we have independently developed the high-end business model Yutong T7,
which served a number of major domestic and international conferences and events.
We took the lead to launch battery electric buses with independent intellectual property rights. We have mastered core technologies in battery, traction motor, and electric control,
and maintained our leading position in industrialization. We have an unparalleled standing in the global new energy bus market.
We are protecting our Mother Earth. Together with our 160,000 new energy buses in total,
manufacturing excellence to gain customers' trust. We improve the quality of each model
with intelligent production mode and internationally advanced manufacturing process.
Internationally advanced whole vehicle electrocoating production line
and coordination of different systems during the production process are employed.
To monitor and regulate the entire production process and ensure life cycle quality management. As we have promised, the market will never be our test ground. Repay customers for their trust with sincere services. We continuously upgrade our service model and improve the professional level of services.
We have built an integrated service platform covering pre-sales, sales, and after-sales.
We have over 2,000 after-sales service providers around the world to deliver worry-free services. In France, we built our largest spare part warehouse in Europe to provide customers with more reliable operation experience. Embrace the world and win hearts with strength.
Yutong buses have been extensively exported around the world. Today, over 80,000 Yutong buses run on roads globally.
In Europe, we contribute to green mobility. 102 Yutong buses were dispatched to Norway,
which is the largest battery electric bus order in Europe. After entering the Danish market for the first time in 2019, Yutong Bus has again won the largest batch of battery electric bus order in Denmark. 55 Yutong battery electric buses have served COP26. Xiaoyu 2.0 A5 has won German Red Dot Award, the Oscar in Design World.
A number of models have won Bus World Awards.
Yutong has reached important milestones during its European market expansion.
In Africa, we actively integrate into local public transport development. KD factories were founded to benefit Africa with technological progress and create more jobs. In Latin America, Middle East, Asia Pacific, and CIS countries, in more places, at more moments. during more major events. Yutong is with you on the way forward. As we review the milestones we hit during our global development, we wish to contribute to better mobility in the world, together with more countries.
Remain true to our original aspiration and unite the team with culture. Under the management philosophy of employee orientation and customer orientation,
We act with integrity and make steady efforts to improve customer satisfaction and employee well-being. We actively fulfill our social responsibility, contribute to the success of our global partners,
undertaking responsibilities of community of shared future for mankind.
Facing the future, we keep exploring innovative mobility options and how to drive the future with intelligence.
We aim to empower cities with integrated solutions, with 5G-enabled smart driving and IoV technology.
Bring the benefits of public transport to all. Instead of the globally leading titles,
We are more proud of the breakthroughs and contributions we make to the global bus industry.
and our mission and vision to bringing ideal travel services to all. In China,
In the world,
one world, one Yutong.
宇通，宇通，宇通，宇通。